To watch these important lessons, subscribe to DP Education's YouTube channel right now. Click on the bell icon to stay updated on the latest lessons. Sri Lanka's largest free online school, DP Education.
Hello guys and girls. It's a common word. When we say guys, you are included, girls. Okay. So, no hard feelings. Guys, this is the 2020 Western Province paper that we started 2 sessions back, 2 videos back. We have already posted 2 videos of this paper. 2020 Western Province 3rd term paper. Let me write that. Let me write it somewhere here. 2020. Oops. 2020. WP. 3rd term. And as you can see, children, this is paper 1, or this is the MCQ paper. Now, we are starting this video with question number 31. Question number 1 to 16 we have done in the first video. 16. Yeah, 16. 17 to 30 in the second video. This is 31. Question number 31. Yo. Here we go. We have a case. Answer questions 31 and 32 using the following information. Total direct cost of a carpentry shop in Semini's business was 58,000. Total direct cost, which means direct material, direct labor, and direct other. Okay? 58,000. Okay. Total direct cost 58,000. There we go. Month of January. Production overhead cost 62,000. Production overhead. Production overhead cost was 62,000. Okay, that is the overhead cost. The productions are sold by keeping 20% profit margin on cost. This business produced only 1,000 wood tables for the month of January. Okay. So this business has produced only 1,000 wooden tables. 1,000. 1,001 questions. No. Only 1 or 2 questions from this case. Okay. First question. According to the information of this business, the cost of a wood table. Oh my God. Okay. Let's do it the easy way. Let's calculate the total cost. Total production cost. Shall we do it here? We'll do it here. Total production cost. Equals prime cost. I'm gonna use the same colors. Prime cost plus overhead cost, OH. For overhead cost, I'm writing OH cost. Okay. Prime cost plus overhead cost. What is the prime cost? Prime cost is right here, not here. It's here. Total direct cost means prime cost, 58,000. Okay, it's 58,000 plus Overhead cost is right here. Production overhead cost 62,000. It's given, all information is given. 62,000. What is the total cost? Total cost is how much? 58 plus 62. It's 120,000. 120,000. 120,000. You got it, right? How we got this? Okay. That is the total cost. Total production cost 120,000. Now, we have to find, according to the information of this business, the cost of one table. One table. That is the unit cost. To find the unit cost, divide the total cost by the number of units. Divide the total cost by the number of units. 1,000. Cut the zeros, cut the zeros. Oh, so the answer is 120, right? 120. Well, there is a problem. Because that answer is not here. Yeah, answer is not there. How come? Guys, I checked the paper when we did the calculation. I checked the paper. Our calculation is correct. But when I checked the answers, the answer is not given. 120 is not given here. Well, that's because there is another slight mistake on this question, right? This place produced only 1,000 wooden tables. There is a typing or printing mistake on this paper right here. Not 1,000 wooden tables. When I checked the single medium paper, I found out that it's only 100 wooden tables. It should be corrected. Yeah? Not 1,000, it should be 100 wooden tables. So, it's a mistake on the paper. You know, mistakes happen. Things happen, right? Then, when we take the unit cost, we have to divide the total cost by the number of units produced. Produced only 100, which means here it should be 100. Not 1,000, here it should be 100. Then, your answer is 1,200. That is the unit cost. That is what they ask us to find here. See, unit cost. Unit cost. Cost of a wooden table. And the answer is right here. 1,200. You got it? I showed you, I noticed, and I showed the mistake, and I corrected the mistake right here. Now, next question. The selling price of a wooden table. That's not a problem because we corrected what was wrong. And we can calculate the unit cost in this way. How to calculate the unit cost? How to calculate the selling price? We can calculate the selling price in this way. Which way? I'm going to show you. Unit cost 1200. First get the profit margin. This is the way. Profit margin should be calculated. What is the profit margin? Profit margin is right here. See, keeping 20% profit margin. So take the unit cost 1200 and put the profit margin as it is given here, 20%, 20 over 100. You get the answer. How much? 140 is the answer. Cut the zero. When you cut the zeros, you get 140. I'm sorry, 240 as the answer. 240 is the answer. Add this profit to the unit cost. 1200 plus 240. 1200 is the unit cost plus 240. Okay, let me make it clear for you. 240, because this 240 is the profit margin. It should be added to the unit cost, the cost of producing one wooden table. That is the unit cost. Keeping a profit of 240, add that to unit cost. 1200 plus 240, 1200 plus 240, 1440. That is your answer. 1440. Here we go. 1440. Shall we move on? Yo man, moving on. Okay, what do we have here? We have a trial balance given to us to answer questions from 33 to 40. Yeah, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 8 questions should be answered. Okay, here we go. The trial balance of Asanka's business as at 31st December 2019 is given. Trial balance of Asanka's business. Who is this? Asanka. Who is Asanka? How do we know? It's a businessman. We have purchases, sales, buildings, non-current assets, equipments, non-current assets, building provision for depreciation, stock, opening stock. Let's note down these things, Opening stock. These are non-current assets. This is depreciation, depreciation. Provision for depreciation. Building and building provision for depreciation. Note these things. Discounts given, discounts received. This is an income. Other income. Insurance, advertising, 15% bank loan. Oh, there's a bank loan adjustment. There's a bank loan adjustment. See, 15% bank loan is given, and the bank loan interest also given. So there's going to be a question from that, definitely. Bank loan interest, because when you calculate 15% from the bank loan, 50,000, when you calculate 15% from the bank loan 50,000, you're going to get the correct total bank loan interest, value of bank loan interest. Then you have to compare it with bank loan interest paid here. Done. We will do it if we get a question. Okay, debtors, creditors, cash and capital. Are there any additional information? Oh yeah, additional information. Closing stock, bad debts, building depreciation. 33. Let's go directly to the question. The cost of sales for this business as at 31st December. Cost of sales for this business. Okay, now I have very clearly told you, before you get to the trial balance, you have to finish the additional information. You have to finish the additional information. Is it? Yes, I have. I have told you. Let's get the additional information. This is the closing stock. Closing stock goes to the cost of sales calculation. And in the SOPL, I mean in the profit and loss statement, in the statement of financial position, it goes to the current assets. 2,000 should be written off as bad debts. Okay. In the SOPL, statement of profit or loss, just like above, should be written off as bad debts. 2,000 should go to the SOPL distribution expenses. Yeah, 2,000 distribution expenses. Okay, so PL distribution expenses, and 2,000 should be subtracted from debtors in the SOFP. Yeah, that is also you should do SOFP, current assets. Okay, shall we do these two right now? Better. Debtors. We have debtors right here. From debtors, we should subtract 2,000. Yep. And expenses, distribution expenses like advertisements and bad debts should be included too, because there is no bad debts in this trial balance. We have to enter the bad debts like advertisements, advertising expenses. There's another expense called bad debts. Okay, bad debts 2,000. Somewhere you have to enter these things, right? From debtors, 2,000 minus, subtract. Got it. Now building depreciation. Building and equipment must be depreciated annually, 10% on cost. Building and equipment, both assets must be depreciated. Yeah, big deal? No, not a big deal. Let's take building and let's take equipment's cost and apply this depreciation 10%. Building and equipment. Where is the building? Building is right here. 10 over 100. You get 30,000. Building, BLDG, depreciation. Then you have equipments. Again, you have to put 30%. No, 10%. Again, you have to apply 10% here. And that is 5,000. This is building depreciation. This is equipment depreciation. That's how you do it. Yeah. Okay. Now, we are done with the adjustments, right? Question. Cost of sales for this business as at cost of sales for this business 31st December 2019. Okay, let's take the cost of sales calculation and do the calculation right here. The cost of sales calculation. Cost of sales calculation. For the cost of sales calculation, what do we need? Guys, we need opening stock plus purchases, and if there are any purchase related expenses, you have to leave a space for purchase related expenses such as carriage, minus closing stock, and that's it. Take the opening stock. Where's the opening stock? Should be here. We have marked it. Opening stock 12,000. Put it right here. Opening stock 12,000. And how much is the purchases? We must have it right here. Is it there? Tell me. It's here. On top. Purchases. 450,000 is the purchases. 450,000 is the purchases. And can put it here. 450,000 is the purchases. Closing stock also we can put. It's right here. Closing stock, see, 12,000. We have already written, see, SOPL, cost of sales, 12,000. Yeah. Then cost of sales calculation, we must enter it to the cost of sales calculation. But check whether there are any purchase related expenses, darlings. Okay. Don't forget that. Purchases, sales, building at cost, equipment, all are non-current assets. Building provision, no. Stock, opening stock already taken. Discounts given, discount received, insurance, advertisements, bank loan, bank loan. Voila! It's a clear trial balance. There is no purchase related expenses such as carriage inwards, loading and unloading expenses, and blah blah blah. Nothing is given. Take your bam bam boom. What is the answer here? You get 450,000 plus 12, 462 minus 12, 450 again. That is your answer. What to do? That's a simple calculation. 450 plus 12 minus 12. It's 450. Number 1. 450,000. Yep. Next. 34. The gross profit of the business. Oh no. the gross profit of the business for the year. Guys, we can do in the same slide, the previous slide, yeah? Because gross profit means sales minus cost of sales. Where is it? Where is it? Here, the gross profit we have to calculate. We need to go back to this calculation because cost of sales is already calculated here. Now we have to, what we have to do? We have to what? We have to do what? We have to just, I'm putting the answer here, okay? We have to just subtract the cost of sales from sales. How much is the sales? Oh yeah, we have sales right here. 590. I'll put sales somewhere here so it's easy for you to sales. $590. Oh, 590,000. Can you see that? Of course you can see that. Yeah, what, are you blind? If you can't see that, yeah. What am I doing? I know I don't need to write it again. Okay, but I'm going to write it again. 590,000. 590,000. Subtract. Get the gross profit. Get it, get it, get it. Don't just wait until I do all the work. Do your calculations. 590 minus 450. It's 140. This is the gross profit for you. Okay? Let's see. There we go. It's here. Gross profit. Easy, right? I mean, these questions easy if you go according to the systems, the correct ways, methods. Yeah, so we can get the answers easily, right? Yeah, right. Likewise, we can get the answers easily, yeah? Moving on. 35. What is the total distribution expenses? That should be shown in the profit or loss statement. Prepared by this business for the year ended, blah, blah, blah. What is the total of distribution? Wow. Now they're asking for the total of distribution expenses. It's one category of expenses. It is just one category of the expenses, distribution expenses. And they're asking the total, right? Yeah, let's calculate it, shall we? We have the trial balance right here. What are the distribution expenses? Purchases, no. Sales, no. Building, equipment, building, provision for depreciation, stock. Discounts given is a distribution expense. Discount received? No. No. It's an income. Insurance? No. Advertisements? Yes, 25,000. Hey, I remember we marked these items in the first slide, the original slide. Let's go and see. We marked. First additional, you must look at the additional information. See, we took the additional information, first one, and we have marked it goes to SOPL, cost of sales, and SOFP, current assets. Not relevant for this question. And the second additional information, 2000, it's going to SOPL distribution expenses. You have marked. So this 2000 should be bad debts, should be added to distribution expenses. And we entered it here. Oh my god, we have it here. Okay, so these two should be added. Which two? 25,000 and 2,000. It's 27,000. 27,000. And this one we already marked in that slide, discounts given 1,000. So 25 plus 2, 27, plus 1, 28. Right? Just check whether any other expenses are there. This is another income, discount received. Insurance, no. Admin expense. Advertisements and bad debts taken, no. That's it. 28,000. See, discounts given and marked. 28,000 is here, it's here. There we go. Right. Next. Select the answer which includes only the current assets. Okay, let's not do it here. Let's go to the original slide. We have done our working, right? Select the answer which includes only the current assets. We have done the working. We have, see, we have one current asset right here and another current asset right here. See, it's easy when you do these things, when you do the adjustments first. One current asset, 12,000. Two current assets. Second one, it's here, it's 2,000. Then 12 plus 2, 14,000. Are we doing the right thing? Yeah, 12 plus 2,000, 14,000. What? Hey, you're going along with me. Yeah, 14,000. And so let's check the trial balance and add the rest of current assets to 40. Hey, closing stock is a current asset. Okay, 12,000 we will take. No problem. But bad debt should be written off from debtors. That means 2,000 should be subtracted from debtors. Don't take the 2,000. Here, see, we have marked it here. So check both additional information and the trial balance. 12,000 closing stock this one plus debtors 16,000 when you subtract 18,000 minus 2,000. When you subtract 2,000 from 18, it's 16,000. So here it's 16,000. And now we will check whether there are any other current assets. Purchase, sales, building at cost, equipment, all non-current assets. Provision? No. Stock, opening stock? No. Only the closing stock. Discounts given, discount received, insurance, advertisements. Bank loan. Okay. Bank loan 15%. Bank loan interest 7,500. Risk creditors, cash. 29,500. Take that too because that is a current asset. Now let's take the total. Current assets. Debtors 16,000. Closing stock first 12,000. Debtors 16,000. Cash 29,500. This one. Okay. Closing stock, debtors, and cash. Do your calculation. Do your calculations. Tell me. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 6 plus 2, 8, 17, remainder 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, with the remainder 5. It's 57,500. Go and see. Only the current assets. Okay, they don't ask you to calculate the current assets. Oh my god. Debtors, cash balance, building, no. Debtors, bank overdraft, cash, no. Closing stock, delivery vehicle, cash, no. Debtors, cash balance, closing stock. Bingo. Why did that happen? Because you didn't read the question with the answers. You just read the question and you tried to calculate. Wow, silly me. No need to calculate. They're not asking you to calculate. They're just asking for the names. 37. What is the net profit of the profit or loss statement prepared by this business? What is the net profit? Well, we know the gross profit. Just take the gross profit to this space. What is the gross profit? Gross profit is this one, 140. We marked 140, the gross profit, right here, 140, yeah? Okay. Take that here, 140,000, and add other incomes. Minus all the expenses. And you will get the net profit. Okay, we'll do it right now. I remember there was one other income. Go to the original slide or where you do your workings from the beginning. Keep that workings. There was one other income. See, other incomes. The discount received 5,500. Can you see this? 5,500. Take that. Put it here. Add it and get the answer. 145,500. That is your answer. Now get the expenses quickly. Get the expenses. We have purchase, sales, building, equipments, provision for depreciation, stock, discounts given. Oh, we took the total distribution expenses. No need to take the distribution expenses again. Yeah. So we have already taken this one and already taken this one. We only have to take insurance insurance and bank loan interest. Have to calculate the bank loan interest, okay? How to calculate the bank loan interest? Take the 15%, the interest rate out of 50,000. 15% out of 50,000 bank loan. And the answer is how much? $50,000 into 15%. Answer is 7,500. Yeah, that is the answer. 7,500 is the answer. And it is correct because 7,500 is actually given here. See, it is given, right? So the total bank loan interest is correctly paid by the business, which means you have to take that too. Take this, bank loan interest, debtors, creditors, cash, capital. That's it. Insurance is 5,500. Yeah, insurance is 5,500. Bank loan interest is, insurance is 5,500. Bank loan interest is 7,500. So it becomes 13,000. Yeah. Let me circle these expenses. These two, and this one. Expenses. But this one already taken by us as distribution expenses. So 5,500 plus 7,500. It is 13,000. And let's add the distribution expense total. It was somewhere here. Ooh, yeah, distribution expenses 28,000. What is the net profit? Now we need that, the total expenses. It was how much? 28,000 as the distribution expenses total, 28,000. And 13,000 are the admin and financial expenses that we marked, which means the total expenses becomes how much? 41,000, right? Addition of these two, 41,000. Check whether there are any other expenses. We have taken insurance, we have taken advertisements and bad debts, both taken. Bank loan interest also taken. Yep. Depreciation. Here, 30,000 plus 5,000. Building depreciation, equipment depreciation. 35,000. We have already done the calculation. 35,000. Don't forget those things, right? 35,000. Now we can do the addition because this addition is wrong. Now we can do the addition. 35 plus 28. 63,000 plus 13. 76,000. Get your net profit by subtracting the expenses. 145,500 minus 76,000. 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 5 minus 6, 9. Here 13,000 minus 7. 69,500. That is your net profit. Bingo. 69,500. Here we go. Moving on. 38th question. What is the bank loan interest that should be shown under financial expense of the year? Hey, we did that. What is the bank loan interest? Hey, bank loan interest is already calculated. That's how we got the net profit. So bank loan interest is there. Where? There. Where? The original slide, man. The first slide. Here. Here, the bank loan interest is here. 7,500. 7,500. See? This is the calculation. Check whether your answers are there. What is the net profit? No, we did that. 38. What is the bank loan interest? The bank loan interest is here. This question comes after the net profit calculation. I can't help it. I have already calculated the answer. When this question comes, it's already there. Answer is already there. Last question, no, 39, is that what is the net value of non-current assets? Take the total non-current assets and subtract the total depreciation, and you get net value. Net value, non-current assets. I'm always going back to the original slide because I have done my workings there. Workings. Net value. See, we have marked non-current assets. Take the total. Take the total of non-current assets. Building, we have 300 plus equipment 50,000. 350,000. 350,000. From that, you should minus these two. Really? No. Not only these two. Building depreciation is 30,000. It's correct. But there is a provision here, babies. There's a provision here. See? Provision. Look at your trial balance carefully, okay? Building provision for depreciation is 30,000. So this 30,000 should be added to this 30,000, 60,000. 60 plus 565 because there is equipment depreciation. There is an equipment depreciation which we have already calculated. I'm talking about this, okay? How did this become 60? Because there's a provision for depreciation, guys. That's what I did just now. So 60 plus 565, 350,000 minus 65. You can get the answer. How much is it? 300. 285,000. Yeah, I'm doing this. I hope you are doing too. Yep, answer is here. 285,000. Net value of what? Net value of non-current assets. 285. Total non-current assets minus total depreciation with the provisions. Last question. Equity of the business. Oh my god. Equity. How to calculate equity? Take the original capital and add the net profit of the year. That's it. Take the original capital, which is given here, the opening capital, 200,000, plus the net profit, and we already have the net profit. Oh, that is the gross profit. Wait, not the gross profit. Net profit. Net profit. Zingo, it's here. 69,500. That is the net profit. Add it to the capital. 200 plus 69,500. 269,500. Here we go. Done. Done deal. Children, we are done with this paper, which is the 2020 Western Province third term paper. The last questions are finished up to the 40th one. These are the questions which come from financial statements of a business. People say that these are difficult. No, if you follow the methods, the right methods, you're gonna get all correct answers. Well, that's about it. We have finished the 2020 Western Province third term paper with this video, and this is the first paper that we have done, that we have finished today. I'm going to meet you with the second paper. Until then, as I always say, keep faith. Only 40, 45, maybe 50, maybe less than 50 days remaining for your O-level examination, for the guys, for you guys and girls who are sitting for the 2022 O-level examination in 2023. Yeah, what to do? You have been delayed a little bit. No problem. Use that time to specialize, or to, to get the best result. Use the spare time, the extra time that you got. So I hope you will do your work and get through with flying results. As always, have faith, do your work, and I wish you all the luck that you need. Hoping to see you soon with the second paper of 2020 Western Province. Bye-bye.
To watch these important lessons, subscribe to DP Education's YouTube channel right now. Click on the bell icon to stay updated on the latest lessons. Sri Lanka's largest free online school, DP Education.